Welcome back again. In this video I'm gonna start with how to connect the application, the PHP application or PHP website with the MySQL, with the database or MySQL database. So we will start with that and we will create the application. First thing, of course, we should just run the XAMPP, run the Apache server and local server and also the MySQL. So now it's running, so there is no problem here. Second step is to create the database. In order to create the database, after just run the XAMPP, you can just go to any browser you have, and here you can go to either local host, just like this, or another choice is just here, the server 127.0.0.1. This same thing, this is the IP, and localhost is like a DNS. So here you can go here or just localhost. After that, just go to the PHP myadmin here to access MySQL. Now here we are inside MySQL. Here we have like a databases. I need to create my database, so each application or each website should connect with the database. So now just create the database here. You can add, of course, any name to your database. So here I will create, so for example, market, anything just for market, for example. So create, finish. Now I have this database called market. Inside it I need to create a table, so now we will start with only one table. So you can just go to the database and then go to create a table. So the table for market may be products. I can name it just products. How many columns we have? Like we have product ID, product name, for example, and then product price. So maybe only 3 I need, and then just create. So here it should has ID, the table, and also the name for the product, or you can name it anything. Of course, you can say P name, for example, product name. Here you can say like PID as you like, and here like price. The PID should be integer, which means number, integer number. P name, you can just name it var character, and the length is like 100. And the price, you can make it just integer. So integer by default will be 11, so you don't need to add anything here. And the PID should be here auto increment, so auto increment here, and also primary key. So this is the primary key or table. So that's it. Now just save. Now have created the database, market, and the products table. Now we need to create a PHP application. So here I have nothing now. I can open the folder or create folder. We should go to the XAMPP and htdocs inside the server. Inside it we can create folder, for example here any folder, just to add my application inside this folder. So I can name it market. That's it. So now I have market here. From the Visual Studio Code I can just open this folder, open market folder. So it is inside htdocs, XAMPP htdocs, and then I have market. So just open market. So now I am inside the market. So inside the market I need to create file. First file I have to create is the connect or database connection. So I can name it connect.php, just to connect with the database. So now here we have a database, we need to connect with the database. So we can just start with that PHP and then just close the PHP. After that we can say something like that. We have like con or anything for connection, any variable, equal, we can use MySQLi connect. So here we have many things. The first thing we have host name. So the host name is local host, since we are inside localhost. So this is the localhost here. And after that we need username. So the username is by default, if you don't change it, it's root, so it's already root. Password, there is no password. You can add a password if you want, but now there is no password. By default, no password. And then the database name, so we name it market. So now in this way I just connected with the database. Here the server name, username, password, and the database is market. Now I connect. I will try just here. I can say if, like here, con which means if really it's connected, if connection is true. So I can just say echo here just to test. For example, connected 6. Otherwise, else here I can say die, which means like die is like stop everything and show me the error. So here I can say MySQL error, and inside it the connect here. So show me the error for what? For the connection. If there is a problem with connection, show me the error in this way. No problem. This not error. This just from the here from the editor. So now I need to test that. So now inside market, right? In the to test here, you should go to the local host, and I am inside market, and then connect.php, right? Because here I'm inside folder market and connect.php inside htdocs. Now enter, you can see connected successfully. So now the connection is work. You can delete that, so we don't need always to see this connect. So just only like this I say if not. So here just exclamation mark here. If connect not work, just die, show me the error. If it is work, I don't need to show me anything. So now if show nothing, no error, so that which means it's connected with the database. So now I am connected with the database without any problem. Now here I need to create another file to insert data to the database. I have a table called product, so I need to insert data to the products. So here I can say insert.php, for example, in this way. So here I need to create like a simple HTML here just body, you know that. So just now form method will be post method /form. Inside form I can create like a table just to add a form inside table. So table, and in the table I have here tr /tr. So in the tr, the first thing I have td here, and inside it I can add just input name equal what I have here. A database I have PID is auto increment, so I don't need to add anything inside it. Will automatically add the value 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So I need only pname and the price, right? So here pname and the price. So here called pname to insert the pname. So just like this, input equal text. That's it. This is the input, and /td. Before that I can add also here another td, and here I can say name or product name in this way. So now this for name I can just copy this. So here I can add the product price, and here just price, like here in the database, just the price. And the type here, maybe I can add not text but number. So the type here is number. After that, at the end, I need just to add the button. Here a table just to organize everything, nothing else. So the button, I don't need this. Only input type, submit button. Name, I can name it also submit, and value equal like add. So to add data, and here the call span, because only one call span equal 2, because here I have 2 rows or 2 TDs. Here I have only one, so I can just make it for 2. That's it. So now insert dot php should work. So now here I can go here, not connect but insert dot php. That's perfect. Product name, product price, and add. Now what I need to do, when I click add something here, click on the add. I need to add the data inside here in the browse, inside the database. Now it is the table is empty, so nothing inside the table. So how to add data? Of course we need here finish. we need to use the PHP code. So here I can use the PHP, and it's really simple. First thing, as you know, we have explained that before, I can say if is set. So if user click on the submit, so I can access it by post because I have post here, and submit, since it is here the type post method. So submit, if the click of submit, so here I say submit here, the name, whatever inside name, I should add it here. So what I need to do now, I need to add like p name equal, you should use this for HTML special character. I have explained that before, for to protect your input from XSS attack. And here I can add just post, and here p name, I said whatever inside name. So first thing, product name p name, so I can access it from here, and price equals same thing, since this here price. That's it. So now I can access them. Of course you can use if empty everything, we have explained that before. Now I don't need that, I need just to insert it to the database. So now I need to insert to the database. First thing, I can just using SQL here, or write anything here, just variable to add SQL code. So I say what, how to insert data inside tables. So you should say write SQL code, insert into the table name is products, right? Because here I have named products, right? So insert into products. What we have inside the products, we need just to add the value. We have pname price, because PID we don't need to add it automatically. So pname and the price only. So here I can say I have pname and price inside it. So I need insert into products pname and the price values. So the value is what? The first thing, inside pname I will insert this, so whatever user added here. So I need to insert it to the database. So here just say pname, which means this one, and here also price. That's it. So now I just write the SQL code, insert into products, pname and everything. Now it is just a string. How can I make it really query? So I should use the, here I can name it result, for example, equal MySQLi. Always use MySQLi. So here for connection we used MySQLi, and also here MySQLi, but now a query, just to write the query. MySQLi query need two things here. First thing, connect with the database, and then we need the SQL. So connection with the database in the another file, right? Another file. So I need just to include this file here. So I can say include, or include once for more secure. You can say include once in this way, and then I need to include connect file. So connect.php, right? So I need to connect to the database firstly by the connect here, from this connect, and then here need two things. So the first one is connect, and the second one is SQL. Now by this line I will make a query, connect to a database, and then insert something in the table. Insert anything user added here in the table. That's it. So I can just check. I can say if result, if it is true, if it is working, insert data. I need to copy something like here, like for example, product inserted successfully. That's it. Otherwise here, else I need to also die and show me my SQLi error here, and error also need the error for what? Error for result here. So I need to find error for the result. So show me any error, if there is any error inside MySQL, so it will show me the error. That's it. So now finish in the insert. So now we will try. If I go here, run, there is no error. So now I can add a product name. For example, I can add Lenovo. Price, for example, 1000. press add. So error here, MySQL exception, you have an error, SQL check manual, but the problem here near at line 1, line 9. So here we need to check line number 9. So here we have a problem with the SQL. Insert into products, pname, price. Yes, so here I forget to add values. We should add this. Now try again. Lenovo. Here 1000. Then add product inserted successfully, right? Now if we go to the database, browse here, you can see now I have Lenovo and the price 1000. Perfect. I can add another thing here, for example Dell, and here product price, like for example $900, then add. So it also successfully. So now I can go here, browse again. So we have Dell now here. So this is the everything about just insert. In the next lecture we'll explain how to insert it and then display the data as a table from the database. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.